Hello, this is Renuka. Welcome to Dictogloss English classes. In today's video, we'll study informal invitations and their replies. Let's understand informal invitations and its replies. Informal invitations are informal letters. These informal letters are written to friends, relatives, and known people. Let's understand the points to be kept in mind while drafting informal invitation. We write in first and second person. We use I, we and you. The format is like that of an informal letter. On the top left we write sender's address followed by date. We start with the salutation, dear and the name. Then the content of the letter and then complimentary close like yours sincerely or yours lovingly. The tone should be personal and informal. Avoid writing unnecessary details as the word limit is only 50. Let's understand informal invitation with the help of an example. It starts with the sender's address followed by date, then salutation, and the content, then complimentary close. The 23 Prithviha, Delhi is the address. Date is 10th July 2021. Salutation, my dear Ravi. I am pleased to inform you that I have got admission in IIT Delhi. On this happy occasion, I invite you to the celebration of my result of class 12th and admission in IIT Delhi at my residence at 7:30 p.m. on 21st July 2021. Looking forward to your company in my moment of joy. Yours sincerely, Amit. As you see that the tone is very warm and personal. We began with the sender's address followed by date, then salutation, then the content and the complimentary close. We have used first and second person. Let's take a look at the replies of informal invitation, of accepting the invitation and declining the invitation. As the format is exactly like that of an informal letter, we have begun with the sender's address, that is C3 Sarita Vihar, Delhi, followed by date, followed by salutation, dear Amit. Heartiest congratulations on your success of securing seat in IIT Delhi, and thanks for inviting me to the celebration party on 21st July 2021 at 7:30 p.m. at your home. I shall be delighted to attend the same. Looking forward to enjoy the happy moment with you. Yours sincerely, Ravi. So if you look at the content, in the first line we have congratulated him on his success. In the second line we have mentioned the event and date, time and venue, and in the third line we have informed whether we'll be attending or not. Now let's take a look at declining the invitation. We have begun with the sender's address followed by date, then dear Amit, heartiest congratulations on the success of securing a seat in IIT Delhi, and thanks for inviting me to celebration party on 21st July 2021 at 7:30 p.m. at your home. I am sorry I shall not be able to attend the same as I will be in Lucknow to attend my cousin's wedding. Wishing you success in all your endeavors. Yours sincerely, Ravi. As you see, writing an informal invitation and its reply is very easy. I hope you have understood with the help of example. Wish you all the best.